When it comes to fish fillet, tilapia is my favorite because it's very flaky and delicious once it cooks. So grab yourself some fish fillet and let's make this delicious coconut fish fillet. To make this delicious and very flavorful coconut fish fillet, you'll need a fish fillet, of course. So over here I have half a kg of fish fillet. So I'm going to be chopping up my fish fillet into bite-sized pieces. So using a sharp knife, I'm going to chop my fish and transfer to my bowl over here. And once you're done, you're going to be marinating your fish fillet with a few spices, which are going to add in a kick of flavor and make the fish fillet very delicious. I have some paprika over here, some turmeric, black pepper, and cumin, which are mild and also very flavorful. Add in a tablespoon of cooking oil and go in with your hands and massage in the spices into the fish fillet, making sure each piece of fish is coated with the flavorful spices. Once you're done, you're going to let this sit for around 15 minutes, and if you have time, you can let the fish marinate overnight in your fridge and the outcome is going to be delicious. But also, marinating the fish for 15 minutes is going to turn out delicious as well. Yes. Once your fish is done marinating, you're going to place a pan over medium-high flame and add in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Prep up some tomatoes, onions, and garlic for this recipe before you start cooking because it's going to be super fast. So once your cooking oil is hot, you're going to add in 1 large onion. Then you're going to saute the onions until they have a nice golden brown color. Browning your onions is going to add in tons of flavor to the fish fillet. So you're going to cook your onions for around 1 minute. Once your onions are starting to get that lovely golden brown color, you're going to add in 4 crushed garlic cloves, and then you're going to saute until the raw garlic flavor is gone. That is going to take around 30 seconds. Stir as the garlic cooks because it burns super fast. Once the garlic is browned and the onions are also browned, you're going to add in 2 diced tomatoes, add in salt, a teaspoon of tomato paste, you're going to stir and let the tomatoes cook for around a minute. And if you notice that your pan is drying out and the tomatoes are not yet fully cooked down, just add in a splash of water so that the tomatoes don't burn. So this recipe has very few ingredients, as you have seen. Over here I have some coconut milk. This is 1 cup of coconut milk. You can also use some coconut cream, and my fish fillet, some coriander and salt. Just in case the fish is not well seasoned, I'm going to be adding in some more salt. Yeah, the kitchen is smelling so good because of the garlic. If you notice that your tomatoes are super acidic, just add in a pinch of sugar. The sugar is going to reduce the acidity of the tomatoes. Hence, you're going to have a very nice, balanced, delicious fish fillet. Once your tomatoes are cooked through, add in your marinated fish fillet Then you're going to stir in. Now just look how delicious the tomato sauce is coating the fish fillet. Add in half a cup of water. Stir in the fish fillet, and at this point check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, you're going to be adding in more salt, because you're not going to be stirring in the fish while it cooks, because it's going to break down. Remember, we are cooking fish fillet. You're going to reduce the flames to medium-low and simmer your fish fillet for around 3 to 5 minutes. This is after 4 minutes. As you can see, the sauce has thickened up and the fish fillet has also cooked. So I'm going to add in my coconut milk. Yum. Stir the coconut milk into the already delicious fish fillet, and then you're going to simmer for another 2 minutes, making the cooking time 6 minutes. This is so that the sauce can reduce and thicken up, making the sauce and the fish fillet very delicious. After 2 minutes, this is how my fish is looking, and as you can see, the sauce has reduced. So I'm going to garnish with some coriander leaves, which are going to add in lots of color and flavor. Put out the flames and carefully stir in my coriander. Wow, just look at that. Delicious. This is a perfect dish for you when you're feeling lazy, because it cooks in around 10 minutes, including the prep time, and the outcome is delicious, saucy coconut fish fillet stew. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out this easy recipe, which will turn out absolutely delicious as always.